welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you. That's the other part of the package that I received, because otherwise the video would be too long. So I have two diamond paintings, one night light and one 3-starred box. I'm gonna start with diamond painting, as I did in the previous one. That's empty. This one is a cutie. It's a puppy surrounded by flowers. I don't know the name of the flowers. It's a 30 by 40. I have 17 colors and it's around, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's around. That's the original picture. So I don't know the name of the flowers. So that's the picture. Let's take a look at the drills. There are gonna be a lot of pink for the flowers. So it's a PJ packaging, so no DMC codes as well. I love that pink. Oh, they're beautiful. That's full. And this also is a beautiful one. A lot of pink, like I thought I would. Some green for what I did. Oh yeah, for over there. Yeah, we have some black, some gray. That's for over there. Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful one. All right. I have some trouble with the drills. These are also from eBay. All the ones that I'm going to show you in this video is from eBay. So that's this one. I'm gonna label them later, because I don't think you want to see that. I think if I made already a video how I label them. This one is so adorable. It's so cute. And I think you all know that one, but it's so cute. 30 by 40. I have 20 colors, and this one is a square. So it's going to be amazing. Isn't that adorable? It says beauty, but it is a beauty. No DMC codes on the canvas, but I do have them on the packaging of the drills. So this one is a loose one, so I'm gonna show you that one first. There's some yellow things in there. You see it? That's not even a drill. That's like something that shouldn't be there. All right. Look at these colors. Can you see how beautiful that is packaged? I don't know how they do that, but I can never get it again like this. So I'm not going to open that because this is too beautiful package. So I'm gonna try to show you like this. That one is beautiful. Yeah, that's a beautiful color. Yeah, but they are beautiful. And it looks like beautiful. Yeah, they look nice, the drills. But I do have two bags of black, which is for the background, and his eyes and his little cute nose. I have seen this one like with a purple. No, was it purple? Yes, I think it was purple. I'm not sure yet, but I did see this one in a different version. But I do like this one better. When I saw it, I didn't look at the picture that was over there. And I thought when I saw this, that it was, I cannot talk today, what's wrong with me? That it was a dog, but it was a foxy. That's the paintings. So we have two things left. I'm gonna do this one first. So it comes in a beautiful box. So that's the one that is inside. I love the box. It's yeah, cartoon lead diamond painting. Child's wisdom. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Maybe fingertips? No, I don't know. But yeah. It was fingertips. So I'm gonna try to open this. Oh, this one comes with a black one. All right. So I have everything. So we have a toolbox. So this is what I wanted to, how it normally comes. In the previous video, I did not have had this, so I'm still wondering how I'm gonna take it out. Because if you pull it out, you see, you have like the light bulb. I don't know how it's called, but this is the easy way for taking it out. So I'm gonna put this, actually this, it's all what I do is when I normally take it out, I just put it away like this, and the drills goes on top. That's how I do it. But the previous one I couldn't, because I couldn't take it out. So that's the picture. I think I have 9 different colors. I love those blue. There's a lot of blue. 4 different ones. Then here we have a little bit of green, which is for the bushes. That's also one that I don't have yet. This one I do have. I love these. And that's a crystal one. So it is beautiful. So how I do it, so I take the thing that you normally put there, I put this between, and the drills goes on top, and the next time I have to pull it out, I have it directly under there. All right, and oh, I don't really need, no, that's not going in there, because I don't need that. So that's that. So I have one 3D project, and it's also a oh no, it was stuck. I might have to fix it a bit. You see, it's a little bit open. Hope it still sticks. But this one is also a part of my mandala. Yes, gorgeous. I love the colors on these. It's like a rainbow one. I love it. So let's take a look at the drills or special shapes. Whoa, that's one big one. I didn't notice. Oh yeah, it's for the middle. I haven't even noticed. All right, let's take a look. That's a beautiful. I don't have this one already. I love it. I'm sorry. So that's a big one. I have apparently only needed of one, and I have 3 spares. Yay! I love that. Wow, they are beautiful. I love these small little projects. So this was everything for the video. I hope you like it. And I know it's a short one, but I'm still waiting on other orders. So as soon as I receive them, I will make a video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take care, and hopefully I see you in the next one. Bye.